morning. Who is with us this morning? Welcome to Quest Bites. My name is Corinne. I will be your host for today. We wanted to start with a little game. It's called Spot the Quapple. The Quapple is our little education logo. It's the apple over there with the Quest Q in it. So let me give you 30 seconds on the clock. We're going to try and see who can spot the Quapple first. If you see it, let me know in the comments. Hopefully you can find it. It's either under or over or on the rainbow. About 10 seconds left. Let me know if you're here and playing. If you find it, of course, let me know too. 5 seconds. Let's see if you can find it before your friends. And there it is, the Quapple, over there in the field. Did you find it? If you did, good job. If you did not, best of luck next time. We'll play a game like this at the beginning of the lesson, but you got to be here at 9:30 to get in on the fun. If you can't tell, we have kind of a theme going today, and that is rainbows. We've been seeing a lot of rain lately, so we thought we would share some knowledge about rainbows. Why they happen, what occurs, and why we can never get to the end of one like we always thought we could. Rainbows are optical illusions or tricks for your eyes. They are an arc of color that show up on the opposite side of the sky as the sun. They're caused by three big words: refraction, reflection. See, I can't even say them. Reflection and dispersion of sunlight and water droplets in the air. That's why they're seen after the rainstorm is leaving and the sun comes back out, because there's lots of water droplets left in the air. Let's watch an animation about what happens when the sunlight hits the water droplet in the air. You can see the sunlight coming across, and once it hits, it, boom, creates a rainbow. The reflection and the dispersion of the sun's light causes all of these beautiful colors to be seen from the ground. And that is why we see rainbows. Rainbows can also be seen in the mist or the fog from like a waterfall, or the spray from your hose or sprinklers. Have you ever been outside while the sprinklers were going, or you're playing with the hose and the sun hits the water just right and it creates a rainbow? It really is creating a rainbow, and this is why. Now you know, and you can tell all your friends the three big words you learned: refraction, reflection, and dispersion. See, I said them better that time. But did you know that everyone sees their own rainbow? If you go outside after a rainstorm with your parents or your siblings and you look at the rainbow, you're actually looking at different rainbows because you're seeing them from different angles. You might be seeing slightly different colors or sizes than your parents or your siblings are because of where you're standing. If you move down the block, you might see a different rainbow over there too, but you're always seeing your own personal rainbow, which I think is very cool. Have you ever seen a cloud rainbow before? One time I was on a boat trip and I saw this cloud and I thought this was the coolest thing. I had never seen a rainbow cloud before, so I took a picture so I could go look it up when I got home. This is the same basic concept as a rainbow. It occurs from something called cloud iridescence. There's small water droplets or icy crystals in this cloud that are scattering the sun's light through them, causing the rainbow cloud. It's rare because the cloud must be pretty thin but still have the water droplets in it. So semi-see-through clouds like this one or newly forming clouds are the ones that will mostly likely have the iridescence in them. So if you do see a rainbow cloud, just know it's very, very special. If you weren't planning on going outside and playing with the hose today, though you still can, you can also make your own rainbow inside by asking your parents for a CD or a DVD. If you point the shiny side towards the window, you can reflect the sun's light onto the walls and it'll create beautiful colors just like a rainbow. It does work better on lighter walls, so you'll have to find a light wall in your house that also has a window. If you make your own rainbow, we would love to see the pictures of all of them. If you just post them in the comments, and we'll share these instructions for you as well. I hope you learned something today. We are going from rainbows to snow and how to make your own at home for tomorrow's lesson. And until next time, continue onward in your quest for knowledge, and thank you for watching.